And we're back. All right, y'all. This time we got Blue Apron. We got a seared chicken and Dijon pan sauce. That's what it's called. With buttermilk mashed potatoes and green beans. Looks like that on the picture. It looks like this on the plate. Look at that. Ooh la la. Yum. I'd say we did pretty good. I'm gonna enjoy this, so let's get into it. Let me get some of that chicken. Give me that chicken. Yum. The chicken is good. It's tender. It's juicy. It's flavorful. Oh man, that sauce on top. It's got this sauce, the pan sauce. It has a spicy maple syrup in it, which, hello, I didn't even know they made a spicy maple syrup, so. That is good. Now, buttermilk mashed potatoes, who doesn't love that? Yep, I'm on board with that. And we got our lovely green beans. I have only ever eaten green beans out of a can, so this is a whole new experience for me, eating from Blue Apron. These fresh green beans, good, very good. Yep. All right, so overall, I would rate this meal. I'd give it a 9. It's really good. I'm happy with it. I'd give it a 9, definitely. And I would recommend it to my friends, for sure. I gotta dig in again, hold on. Man, that's good. All right, y'all. That's it for the 2-minute review. That's a wrap.